Toronto real estate rent. Been a real estate investor for 8 years. Love investing, love helping other investors and buyers and sellers in the market. And there's so much discussion on the Toronto market, where everyone thinks it's going, everyone has the right answer. I think there's just really one great important factor for people to realize with this whole market, and not to get too emotional about these price swings. First thing is, in real estate, everything is about the buy. Why? Because if you don't buy, you're not in the game. It doesn't even matter if you buy at the top or not. Real estate always goes up in general eventually, historically. So just buy, because most people, it's like you're always trying to defend your reason of why you should not buy now. Like, prices are too high, the market's horrible, whatever it is. Always figuring out a way why you shouldn't buy yet. It's the biggest problem. You could be a bear market for 10 years and you could build up a whole portfolio of 20 houses. Doesn't matter what the market is, you could still start to accumulate. And then real estate's all about patience and holding anyways, so it's in the future when you see your big gains. But people fail to realize, I think, is Toronto is a international market. Everyone around the world is looking at real estate here. They are valuing it in relation to other international markets. So when you look at New York, Shanghai, London, they're all gonna use those as comparables. So in that case, we are not that overvalued. And Toronto GTA, I can't believe how much the areas are growing in population. I see so many people on the streets now. Before, it may be just a couple on in a residential area, and now it's like groups, and this is everywhere. And then the cars, the traffic, it's always been bad, but it's so much more has increased. On the subway, so much more people. So the population is just exploding. It's unbelievable. And the only thing that makes, real estate go up really is population, So as the population continues to grow, there's only 2 major markets in Canada, Vancouver and Toronto. These are the only 2 cities most people are going to go to. So as more people come here, this is where they're going to be. So it's going to keep on condensing the population. Prices are going to go up. And it's going to keep it stable. It's even like currency. Currency stays stable by people having money invested in it. That's the only way. Same with real estate and everything. If there's more people here, it's going to go up in value. And again, about the international market pricing, we are in Canadian dollars. So you have to always think, everyone looks at the US price internationally. So if we're a 30% difference on the dollar, so if a house is 1.3 million here, it's really a million in American dollars. So you got to keep that in mind too. And then not to mention, it's one of the greatest cities in the world. Safest, nicest, most diverse. People all around the world know people here and live here and have family here. So this is like such a major hub for bringing everyone together in the world, and it will continue to be great like that. I think buying great real estate in the GTA at any time is a solid move. I continue to build my portfolio here. We'll continue to build it. And right now I think the play is just on smaller priced homes, condos even, anything that's $1 million and under. No matter how crazy the market is, I think those will continue to appreciate, as that's where buyers have to buy right now. It's all they can afford on the majority scale. So they're going to continue to buy that stuff and continue to raise prices. So I think that's definitely a good play, going forward. But let me know your thoughts on the real estate market. I'm in it. I would love for open discussion about it, and see what your ideas are and what you're doing in the market. Thanks, guys.